current affairs for the month of this September, and I would like to thank you to the www.leadthecompetition.in for this PDF. Now, awards. The well-known film actor who has been confirmed with the prestigious SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award by the United Nations Development Program, and the well-known film actor is Sonu Sood. The Indian state, which has been awarded the UN Integration Task Force Award 2020 for its outstanding contribution toward the non-communicable disease-related sustainable development goals, and the Indian state named is Kerala. The well-known film director who has been appointed the president of Film and Television Institute of India, Pune, and the well-known film director is Shekhar Kapoor. The Union Agriculture Minister, who has been now additional charge given to him, is Narendra Singh Tomar after the resignation of Sri Harsimrat Kaur Badal. The Bollywood actor who has been signed by Amazon for its Alexa voice assistance is Amitabh Bachchan. The new Prime Minister of Japan, who has been over following the resignation of Mr. Shinzo Abe, who resigned due to his deteriorating health, Mr. Yoshihide Suga, is the new Prime Minister of Japan. School of Drama, Delhi for 4 years. Shri Jaswant Singh, the former army officer, defense minister, finance minister, external affairs minister, and deputy chairman of planning commission, who passed away on 27 of September 2020. Sri Suresh Angadi, the union minister of state for railway, who has been passed away on 23rd of September 2020 due to COVID-19. Raghuvansh Prasad Singh, the former Union Minister of Rural Development and architect of National Employment Guarantee Act (NREGA), who has been passed away on 13th of September 2020. Swami Agnivesh Vippa Syam Rao, the well-known social activist, recipient of Right Livelihood Award 2004, Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award, passed away on 11th of September 2020. Govind Swarup, the renowned scientist and radio astronomer, recipient of Padma Shri and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, who has been passed away on 7th of September 2020. The chief pontiff of in Endir Mutt in Kasargod district, Kerala, and the petitioner in the landmark case on the constitutional amendment, who passed away on 6th of September 2020, is Keswanand Bharti. Been passed away on 29th of September 2020 is S.I. Padmavati. The fourth edition of biennial India and Japan Maritime Bilateral Exercise conducted in North Arabic Sea from 26th to 28th of September 2020, and the fourth edition of biennial Japan in India Japan Maritime Bilateral Exercise is known as GMEX. Indira Navy 20, the 11th edition of biennial bilateral maritime exercise between Indian Navy and Russian Navy, scheduled to be held in the Bay of Bengal from 4 to 5 of September 2020. Novak Djokovic and Simona Halep, the winners of Italian Open 2020 men's single and women's single title respectively. Darbhanga, the place in Bihar where setting up All India Institute of Medical Science has been approved by Union Cabinet. Ambala, the Indian Air Force base at which Rafale aircraft were formally inducted into Indian Air Force in the presence of Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and Miss Florence Parly, Minister of Armed Forces of France. The language which have been added to the list of official language, namely Urdu and English of Dogri and Hindi. Kashmiri, Dogri and Hindi, the language which has been added to the list of official languages named Urdu and English of Jammu and Kashmir by Jammu Kashmir Official Language Bill 2020. Minimum support price MSP for wheat for 2020 and 21 marketing season as announced by the central government is 1975 rupees. 1975 rupees is the MSP for wheat of for 2020 and 21. The title and the number of 24 into 7 toll-free mental rehabilitation helpline launched by the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment is Kiran. 1800 is the title and the number of 24 into 7 toll-free number for mental rehabilitation helpline number. AIFF Award 2019-20. AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. AIFF in Women's Footballer of the Year Sanju. AIFF Men's Emerging Footballer of the Year Anirudh Thapa. AIFF Emerging Women's Footballer of the Year Miss Ratnabala Devi. Kapila Vatsyayan, born 25th of December 1928, passed away and history and Rajya Sabha MP. Founder of Indira Gandhi National Center for Art. Awards Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship to 1970, Lalit Kala Akademi Fellowship 1995, Padma Vibhushan 2011, and books written The Square and the The Square and the Circle of Indian Arts 1997, Bharata The Natya Shastra 1996, and Matral Lakshanam in 1998, and name is Kapila Vatsyayan. Hypersonic Technology Demonstration Vehicle HSTDV tested by DRDO, tested on 7th of September 2020 at 11:03 hours. Tested at APJ Abdul Kalam launch complex at Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha. The hypersonic cruise missile was launched by using a proven solid rocket motor which took it to an altitude of 30 km. The hypersonic contribution sustained and cruise vehicle continued to its desired light path at a velocity of 6 times at speed of sound, that is nearly 0 to km second for more than 20 seconds. On this successful demonstration, the country Times Magazine 100 Most Influential People 2020. Indians in the list: PM Shri Narendra Modi ji in leaders category, Ayushman Khurrana in artist category, Bilkis of Shahin Bagh fame in icons category, Professor Ravindra Gupta in pioneers category, and Sundar Pichai in titan category. Ease 2.0 index for PS base. Top 3 Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India and Oriental Bank of Commerce. Top 3 banks in responsible banking. Top 3 bank in responsible banking. Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India and Punjab National Bank. Top 3 banks in customer responsiveness. State Bank of India, Oriental Bank of Commerce and Bank of Baroda. The Essential Commodity Amendment Bill 2020. Position prior to amendment. Under the Essential Commodity Act 1955, the central government could regulate or prohibit the production, supply, and distribution by any essential commodity for securing its equitable distribution and availability at fair prices. After the amendment, the central government may regulate the supply of such foodstuff, including cereals, pulses, potato, onions, edible oil seeds, and oil, only under extraordinary circumstances, which may include war, famine, action on imposing stock limit shall, based on price rise and an order for regulating stock limit of any agricultural produce, may be issued under this act only if there is 100% increase in the retail price of horticulture produce or 50% increase in the retail price of non-perishable agricultural foodstuff over the price prevailing immediately preceding 12-month or average retail price of last 5 years, whichever is lower. Important labor bill passed by Parliament. Social Security Code 2020. It's amalgamate 9 laws wise, the Employees Compensation Act 1923, the Employees State Insurance Act 1948, the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952, the Employment Exchange Compulsory Notification and Vaccines Act 1950, Vacancies Act 1959, the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, the Payment of Gratitude Act 1972, the Cine Worker Welfare Fund Act 1981, the Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Cess Act 1996, and the Unorganized Workers Social Security Act 2020. Occupational safety, health and work wise, the Factories Act 1948, the Plantation Labor Act 1951, the Mines Act 1952, the Working Journalist and Other Newspaper Employees Conditions and Services and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1955, the Working Journalist Fixation of Rates of Wages Act 1958, the Motor Transport Worker Act 1961, the Beedi and Cigarette Workers Condition of Employment Act 1966, and the Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act 1970, the Sales and Promotion Employees Condition of Services Act 1976, the Interstate Migrant Workman Regulation and Employment and Condition of Services Act 1979, the Cine Worker and Cinema Theatre Workers Regulation of Employment Act 1991, the Dock Worker Safety, Health and Welfare Act 1996, and the 13 is Building the and Other Constructional Work Regulation of Employment and Condition of Services Act 1996. Industrial Relations Code 2020. It amalgamates three laws via the Trade Union Act 1926, the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946, and the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Important days of 2020 of September. International Day of Charity, 5th of September 2020, designated by United Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies, celebrated across the world on 7th of August 2020, designated by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, first observed in 2020. Means International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is first time celebrated in 7th of August 2020. International Literacy Day, celebrated all across the world on 8th of September 2020, and designated by UNESCO, first observed in 1966, and the theme is literacy, teaching and learning in COVID-19 crisis and beyond. World Suicide Prevention Day, 10th September 2020, designated by International Association for Suicide Prevention, first observed in 2003. International Day for Democracy, uh, celebrated all across 15th of September 2020, designated by United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, first observed in 2008. Theme is COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. International Day for Prevention of Ozone Layer, 16 September 2020, designated by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, first observed in 1995. Theme Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. World Patients Safety Day, 17th of September 2020, designated by WHO, first observed in 2019. Theme is Safe Patients. International Day of Peace, 21 September 2020, designated by UNGA, first observed in 1982. Theme is Shaping Peace Together. International Day of Sign Languages, 23rd of September 2020, designated by UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, first observed in 2020. Theme is Sign Language are for everyone. Means International Day for Sign Language on 23rd of September 2020, and International Day for Clean Air for Blue Skies on 7th of August 2020 is celebrated first time in 2020. Now, World Maritime Day, 24th September 2020, designated by International Maritime Organization, observed in first observed in 1978, and theme is sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapon, 2020, on 26th of September, designated by UNGA, first observed in 2014. World Tourism Day, celebrated on 27th of September, designated by UNTWTO General Assembly, first observed in 1980, and theme is Tourism and Rural Development. World Rabies Day, 28 September 2020, designated by Global Alliance for Rabies Control, first observed in 1980. Access to information, as 28th of September 2020, designated by UNESCO, first observed in 2016. Theme is access to information, saving lives, building trust, and bridging hope. International Day for Universal Access to Information on 28th of September 2020. International Transition Day, 30th September 2020, designated by Federation of International Translator and UN General Assembly, first observed in 1953 by FIT and 2020 by UN. Theme is Finding the Words for a World in Crisis, International Translation Day, 30th September. Sri S.P. Bala Subramaniam, born on 4th of June 1946, passed away on 25th of September 2020. He was Indian musician, playback singer, music director, actor, dubbing artist, and film producer who worked phenomenally in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, Malayalam films. Tested positive for COVID-19 in August 2020. Award Padma Shri 2001 में मिला and Padma Bhushan 2011 में. National Film Award for Best Singer in 1979 Telugu, 1998 Hindi, 1993 Telugu, 1998 Telugu, 1995 Kannada, and 1996 Tamil. Filmfare Award in 1989 and Filmfare Award South in 2006, 7 and 2020. He has also won several Nandi Award by Government of Andhra Pradesh as a singer, music director, dubbing artist, and supporting actor. He has won Tamil Nadu State Film Award and Karnataka Award as singer. US Open 2020. Title Men's Single. Winner is Dominic Thiem from Australia. Women's Singles. Naomi Osaka from Japan. Men's Double. Met Pavic, Croatia, and Bruno Sos of Brazil. Women's Double. Laura Sigemund of Germany and Vera Vonareva of Russia. INS Virat, commissioned in Indian Army in 1987 and decommissioned from 6th March 2017. It was Centaur class aircraft carrier inducted after the purchase from UK, where it was renamed HMS Harms. It was the oldest aircraft in the world in 2016 when it sails for the last time under its own power. It has been finally towed to Alang shipbreaking yard to be broken down to scrap. Global Economic Freedom Index 2020 released by Frasers Institute, Canada, and rank given to first rank Hong Kong, second Singapore, third New Zealand, fourth Switzerland, fifth Australia, 98th Bhutan, 105th India, 124th China, 129 Pakistan, and 133 Bangladesh. World Global Economic Freedom Index. Global Economic Freedom Index, India got 105 rank and first is Hong Kong. Business Reform Action Plan, BRAP, ranking of state. Top 5 state under State Reform Action Plan 2019 are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Jharkhand is fifth, and Andhra Pradesh is first, and Uttar Pradesh is second. Announced by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs. Ranking of state based on implementation of Business Reform Action Plan started in this year 2015 till date. State ranking have been released for the year 2015-16 and 17-18. The Business Reform Action Plan 2018-19 includes 180 reform points covering 12 business regulatory areas such as access to information, single window system, labor, environment, etc. etc. Abbreviation. Global Innovation Index, released by World Intellectual Property Organization. First rank is given to Switzerland and 48th is the rank of India. ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स, इनोवेशन में वैश्विक इनोवेशन में भारत का स्थान 48वां है नवोन्मेष में, और पहला स्थान स्विट्जरलैंड का है इनोवेशन में ग्लोबली। 2019 में 52 था, रैंक में सुधार हुआ है और अभी 48 है भारत का रैंक। सरोद बोर्ड्स यानी कि सोसाइटी फॉर एफोर्डेबल रिड्रेसल ऑफ डिस्प्यूट बोर्ड्स, ये है एब्रीविएशन। बीम्स, बीच एनवायरनमेंट एंड एम्प एस्थेटिक मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। बुक्स इन न्यूज़, आज़ादी, फ्रीडम, फासिज्म, फिक्शन बाय अरुंधति रॉय, वॉइसेस ऑफ डिसेंट बाय Romila Thapar. Thank you so much to the audience and to the www.leadthecompetition.in.